This hotel has a restaurant that some people say you have to visit before you die, but with a price over $500 per night, is it really worth it? After staying there, we are breaking down 3 things that make this place special and 1 thing that might not be for everyone. But first, if it's your first time in Thailand, you probably want to know more than just where to stay. You might have questions about safety and other travel tips too. Grab our free Thailand 101 guide in the description below for everything you need to know. First, the landscape and views around Rayavadee Hotel are absolutely stunning. You have probably seen pictures on Instagram of the iconic limestone cliffs by the sea and the pool. When you first arrive, this is the view that welcomes you. And honestly, it's amazing. Plus, the only way to get to this hotel is by boat, which makes it feel like you are heading to a secluded island. Though it's not an island, it's just that the beach where the hotel is located can only be accessed by boat. At this price, you are getting an entire house to yourself. For us, there were 3 people staying together. Our friend stayed downstairs where they had an extra bed set up for her. And we have to talk about the 2 stunning beaches connected to the hotel. Pranan Cave Beach is famous for its breathtaking landscape and a unique cave with a shrine. Fishermen come here to pay respect and pray for safety and a good catch before heading out to the sea. Over time, as this spot became a tourist attraction, more Thai visitors started to come to pay their respects too, and now the number of amulets offerings just keeps growing. If you walk along the beach in the opposite direction, you can hike up to the famous Bat Cave, which has an incredible viewpoint. But this hotel isn't just connected to one beautiful beach. It has another one that's just as spectacular. Krabi Beach is also famous for its beauty. There are plenty of restaurants, hotels, and even a small walking street, making it a great place to chill. Next up, the amenities at this hotel are complete and maybe even a bit over the top. Just to be clear, we stayed here in 2021 when Thailand was under lockdown. A lot of hotels offering amazing promotions, and so we got a special deal. As part of that, the hotel organized a tour of the property with their staff since there weren't many guests at the time. They even showed us one of the most expensive rooms. It was 2-bedroom suite with a private pool and it cost $3,000 per night. But even if you are not staying in one of the high-end rooms, you still get access to some fantastic facilities. There's a tennis court with a stunning backdrop of limestone mountains, and the service here is top-notch. What really stood out to me was how happy the staff seemed. They genuinely loved working here, and that energy made our experience even better. We even talked to one of the staff members, and he told us he felt incredibly lucky to work in such a beautiful place. The hotel also offers plenty of activities. Besides the property tour, there's rock climbing, which is actually a big attraction in this area. People come from all over just to climb here, even if they are not staying at the hotel. The hotel also provides kayaks and stand-up paddleboards, so you can get out on the water and explore. And of course, we have to talk about the one-of-a-kind cave restaurant. Some people say it's something you have to experience at least once in your life. The prices are what you would expect from a 5-star hotel, but we had no complaints. The food was great and the view was incredible. You have the sea in front of you and a cave behind you. Just keep in mind that this place books up fast, so if you want a good spot, you need to make a reservation in advance. Also, check with the hotel about their latest policy, because it looks like they now only allow hotel guests to dine here, except on special occasions like New Year's or Christmas, where non-guests can also book a table. And it's not just about what the hotel has to offer either. The location is perfect for island hopping tours. It's a great spot for tour boats to pick you up and take you around the nearby islands. We went to all the famous ones in Phuket and Krabi area like PP Island, Pile Lagoon, and it was an amazing experience. Last thing, this hotel might not be for you if you are not a fan of nature, and we mean real nature. Staying here means getting up close and personal with wildlife. At night, you will see bugs, mosquitoes, and other insects. For us, it was actually an eye-opening experience. We have never stayed at a hotel where we were this close to monkeys. Usually, hotel staff just have to shoo away pigeons at the breakfast buffet, but here they are dealing with monkeys, guys. There are also plenty of water lizards around the area, so In a way, it feels like staying in a 5-star hotel right in the middle of a jungle. Overall, we absolutely loved it here. All of us kept saying we'll definitely come back, but wow, after 2021, the prices went back to normal and they are a bit too high for us now. That said, if we were tourists visiting Thailand, we wouldn't skip this place. It's such a memorable experience and we think you'll love it too.